Hey guys, we all know that farming is hard work, but it's also a rewarding career and lifestyle if you know what you're doing. My name is J.M. Fortier. I've been farming successfully on small acreage for 15 plus years, and over those years I've seen a lot of smart, dedicated growers fail because they keep doing the same mistakes over and over, year after year. And so these are mistakes that I've seen and that I've tried to fix on my farms, and so I know these works, and I'll be giving a free online class talking about 5 mistakes that I've seen and how to answer those mistakes by correcting things and making your farm more efficient, better, and just like improving on that. So it's a free online class. All the information is in the link below, and I'm pretty sure that if you come and listen to that class, you'll take at least 1 or 2 things that will help you in your farming, and that's the goal. So if anything, I'll see you there. Until then, farm on.